We're not against rap. We're not against rappers.
And I just want to take this opportunity to speak directly to the Muslim youth. There's a problem with your identity. You don't know who you are. Some of you sit at home, you watch these videos, these YouTube videos, and you watch satellite TV, all of these American movies. And what do they give you, huh? They present you this conception that all these bad peoples, these gangsters, are the tough guys. They represent you. Is that what you think? The problem is, all of this is not real. All of the movies, all of the TV shows, none of it is real. It's all fake. It's not real life. And for the rappers, the ones who are making all the videos that you have been watching, it's also presenting you with a way of life that even they don't want to be a part of. A lot of you don't even understand, where does this concept of being a gangster come from? Okay, if we look at just the rappers, right? The guys who are putting out the music today that our youth, unfortunately, are so entranced with. They can sing all these songs, they have no idea whatsoever what they're talking about, but they know it word for word. The conditions that created these people, the conditions that shaped them and molded them into who they are today, you have never experienced in your life. You grew up in a nice home. You have both of your parents. Some of you attend private schools with the best education possible. You don't know what it's like to live in poverty. You don't know what it's like to be harassed and beat up and killed by the police. You have no idea what it's like to live in abject poverty where you don't even know where your next meal is coming from. What are your struggles? How long mom and dad's gonna let me play Fortnite? Is that your biggest struggle? I have too much homework tonight? Kids your age are out in the streets getting killed right now, getting involved in things they should never be involved in. And you want to be like them. This lifestyle is haram. It's haram for them and it's haram for you. The unfortunate thing is, you should know better. They don't know, they're ignorant. You live in peace. You live in countries where crime is almost non-existent, free of oppression. And the gangsters, the ones who are actually really gangsters, not just the ones who play one on TV, they would trade their lives for yours in a minute. They don't want to be a part of that. They're unfortunately trapped in this society. They're trapped into this mode of living and this idea that's presented to them. Living on the streets is not easy. People are out there selling drugs, selling bodies of people. People will kill you for nothing. They'll kill you for a single word. You say the wrong word to them, they'll kill you in the street like a dog, and they don't feel anything. This is who you want to be? This is who you want to be? You want to imitate them in every way possible. They make a music video where they're throwing dollars in the air. You want to make a video throwing reals in the air. They're dancing on cars, you're dancing on cars. They get a crew behind them throwing their hands up in the air. You want a crew behind you throwing your hands up in the air. What's original about you? You're just copycats. And you have no idea what you're copying. Some of these people, wallahi, they are the worst of creation. But the media presents them to you in a way where you admire them. You want to be like them. You wish that you could live a life similar to what they're doing. Let me let you in on a big secret. A lot of these gangsters, especially the gangster rappers, whenever they get famous, when they make their money, the first thing they do is they leave the gangster lifestyle. They leave the neighborhood they grew up with that created their mindset. They don't want to live there. They don't want to be involved in this. So getting money from doing this rap that you love so much is their ticket out. They want to live in peace. They want to live the same way that you're living. But you just don't know what you have yet. For some children, they're being raised by media. Their father is the PlayStation, and their mom is YouTube. You think parenting is easy? Everything that the child does is your responsibility. They picked it up from you, and you'll have to answer for that. We have role models. The prophets are our role models. The Sahaba are our role models. But how are the youth supposed to follow them when they don't know who they are? When no one has told them who they are? When parents have not expressed to them who they are? You know those rappers, the thugs, the guys you like to watch YouTube videos about? A lot of them are leaving the game. You know where they're going? To Islam. They realize that this is not what they were made for. This is not why they were created. And so they're leaving the music industry and they're coming to Islam. And here you are, you have Islam. And what are you doing with it? Why do you want to be where they are when they don't want to be there? They're leaving, coming to this religion, giving up the money, giving up the lifestyle, giving up everything that you admire so much because it's not enough and they want more. They want what you have. It's time for you to wake up.